Pressure and wind system of earth. Pressure. We are going to study today about atmospheric pressure and wind. Pressure system of earth. The pressure exerted by the atmosphere due to its weight above a unit area of the earth's surface is called atmospheric pressure. It is measured by mercury barometer. This is the instrument barometer which is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. This is our earth and different pressure belts are seen with the colored horizontal bar. In the middle, this is the equatorial low pressure belt, and towards the northern hemisphere and towards the southern hemisphere, these are the other belts: subtropical high pressure belts, subpolar low pressure belts, high pressure belts. So different pressure belts are found in the northern hemisphere as well as in the southern hemisphere. Major pressure belts. One by one we will see. Equatorial low pressure belt. This is the location. Equatorial low pressure belt, which is also called as doldrum. From 5 degree north to 5 degree south. This is the location of equatorial low pressure belt. Next, subtropical high pressure belt. Subtropical high pressure belt here in the northern hemisphere from 30 to 35 degree in both the hemisphere. Subpolar low pressure belt here 60 degree north. Subpolar low pressure belt here. And the last one is polar high pressure belt here 90 degree. Polar high pressure belt. So these are the important pressure belts of the earth. Now what is wind? Due to horizontal differences in air pressure, air flowing from areas of high pressure to areas of low pressure, this is called as the wind. In short, horizontal movement of the air is called wind. Air, mixture of gases. When these are moving, because of the temperature difference, pressure will also differ, and always wind will move from high pressure to low pressure. It is shown here in the figure. This is high pressure belt. This is equatorial low pressure belt. Air is moving from high pressure to low pressure. This arrow, from this arrow, it is very quite clear. Southern hemisphere also, this is high pressure belt, low pressure belts. Winds are moving from high to low pressure belt. Now planetary winds. The winds blowing throughout the year from one latitude to another in response to latitudinal differences in the air pressure are called planetary or prevailing winds. Prevailing winds. Here prevailing winds. Planetary winds are divided into three types. They are trade winds, westerlies, and polar winds. Trade winds, westerlies, and polar winds. One by one, trade winds. First, trade winds. Here is trade winds. This is the northern hemisphere. This is the southern hemisphere. In middle, this is the 0 degree latitude. Trade winds. They blow from subtropical high pressure belt to equatorial low pressure belt in the tropics between 30 degree north and 30 degree south. This is the location. 30 degree in both the hemisphere. These winds are moving, which we called as the trade winds. Westerlies. They blow from subtropical high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt in the temperate latitude between 30 degree and 60 degree on the either side of equator. They are also called roaring 40s, the furious 50s, and shrinking or screaming 60s. Here this is the westerlies in both the hemisphere. They are moving from subtropical to subpolar low pressure belt. Here high pressure to low pressure in both the hemisphere. In different latitude they are having different name. 40 degree latitude is called as the roaring 40s, 50 degree latitudes are called as the furious 50s, and 60 degree latitudes are called as shrinking or screaming 60s latitude. Now polar winds, they blow from the polar high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt between 60 degree latitude and the pole on both the side of equator. Here this is high pressure, this is subpolar low pressure. Always wind will move from high to low in both the hemisphere, high to low. So they are the three major winds: trade winds, westerlies, and polar winds. Now periodic winds, they change their direction periodically with the change in pressure and temperature. Example, monsoon, land and sea breeze. They are the periodic winds. Local winds, local winds develop as a result of local differences in temperature and pressure. Example, Fohn, Chinook, Lu. So these are the winds which is blowing in the specific region. Now cyclones, rapid inward circulation of air masses with a low pressure at center. In cyclone, inside it will be low pressure, outside it will be high pressure. It is anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. This is important. Anti-clockwise in northern hemisphere and clockwise movement in the southern hemisphere. Movement of the cyclones. Now just opposite of cyclone is anticyclone. Rapid outward movement of air masses with a high pressure at center. Here inside anticyclone will be high pressure and outside will be low pressure. Air will be moved from inside to outside and it will be just opposite of cyclone. Next one is hurricane. This is also known as the tropical cyclone or tropical storm. This is a disturbance of about 650 km across, spinning around a central area of very low pressure with 140 km per hour. Now these are the name of the cyclones. Typhoons. These typhoons are seen in China Sea. Tropical cyclones, cyclones of Indian Ocean is called as the tropical cyclone. Caribbean Sea, cyclones are called as hurricanes. In USA, tornadoes. In North Australia, it is called as willy willies. Now these are the name of the winds. Chinook, where this Chinook is flowing. This is a hot dry wind in Rockies, also called snow eater. Fohn, hot dry winds in Alps. Khamsin, hot dry winds in Egypt. Sirocco, hot moist wind from Sahara to Mediterranean Sea. It is also known as blood rain. Solano, hot moist wind from Sahara towards Iberian Peninsula. Harmattan, hot dry winds blowing outwards from the interior of Western Africa, also called Guinea Doctor. Bora, cold dry winds blowing outward from Hungary to the north of Italy near Adriatic Sea. Mistral, this is again the local winds. Very cold winds which blows from the Alps over France. Punas, cold dry winds blowing down towards the western sides of Andes. Blizzard, very cold winds in tundra region. Purga, cold winds in Russian tundra. Levanter, cold winds in Spain. Nor'wester, hot wind in New Zealand. Santa Ana, hot wind in South California in USA. I have taken these all local winds because in many of the exams, NDA examination questions are asked from this area. So it is important to learn. Thank you.